The National Identification and Registration Authority, NIRA, was established to give every Somali citizen and legal resident a secure and trusted identity. An identity that unlocks access to services, strengthens governance, and empowers national development. Right here in this hall, during the first Somali National ID Conference in September 2023, Somalia made history with the official launch of the Somali National ID system. Since then, NIRA has expanded registration nationwide, strengthened interoperability, and integrated the national ID into key services such as education, finance, immigration, social protection, and many other critical sectors. Today, digital identity is becoming a gateway for participation in Somalia's social and economic life. The Somali National ID Conference is NIRA's annual platform that brings together government, development partners, private sector leaders, and innovators to shape Somalia's digital future. This second edition, under the theme From Identity to Impact, Building Somalia's Digital Ecosystem, explores how identity drives service delivery, financial inclusion, humanitarian efficiency, and digital transformation. This conference will also feature a digital exhibition where Somali technology and fintech companies will showcase innovative digital products and solutions, many of them integrated with or powered by the national ID. We welcome you to this event. This is more than just a conference. It is a commitment to trust, inclusion, and national transformation. Together, we are building a digital Somalia where every identity counts.